and today I will be doing an unboxing video because it's the day before Easter and I got a lot of stuff. And my Bubba's going to be helping me. And if you don't already know, Bubba is how you say dad in mansion. Okay, let's get started. Bubba, I can open that. Thank you. Anyways. Sorry, sometimes this is really hard. Whatever. It's whatever, at least as long as I get it out. It's fine. As long as I get it out. I'm sorry, we're just having some difficulties, so yeah, I will be showing you something else while my Bubba tries to get. Anyways, so and now I will. Sorry, he got it undone. So let's go. Yay, there's another layer. Sorry. I almost knocked you guys over. Come on. Okay. Here you go. And right away. So, as I was saying, I got this little narwhal unicorn. I don't even know what it is. Okay. So it's a little poppet, and then you squeeze it to get the pops out.
And it sticks to stuff, and it lights up.
Oh yeah, it lights up and it sticks to stuff. Okay, let's get on. Sorry, I laugh so much when I do that. It just pops everywhere. Okay, anyways, I don't even need that. Okay. Ooh, there's two. So, firstly, this is like a little bag. I don't even know how to open it.
Let me see.
Here. The next thing, the last thing, sorry. Little sunglasses, little shoes with actual laces, and I'm gonna have to tie it, and then this is like a little ring. I don't know where it will fit. Oh God, where the heck did it go? Oh, it went under my table. Okay, I got it.
You threw away your shoe.
Okay,
Just put it off to the side.
okay, what should the next thing be? This. So the next thing is this little shopping cart. I'm gonna sit up here for this one. So I'm sorry if my head's a little cut off. So it actually rolls. And then my Bubba's gonna have to get the plastic off because I can't really do that. Here you go.
It's already on.
Oh, it's hard to get it out. Thank you. So here's this first one. Sorry, we're having some technical difficulties. So, there's tape on it, silly. Okay, this is one of the first things that came with its actual thing. It's milk, I know that. Almond milk, I think. So this is almond milk. Shiny.
You put it in the cart.
This is, what is this? Kale thing? I don't know.
It's
Lettuce? This is lettuce. Oh, shiny. Sorry. Okay, anyways. So, yeah, it kind of looks like a flower. Anyways, gonna put this in the cart. Now there's like this little bread packet. I think this went up here. There's this little bell pepper. Bell pepper. We have some donuts. I'm gonna open them. Ooh, they look good. So here's the first donut. It's a glazed one. This one is a glazed and then sprinkled donut. I'm sorry if you can't really see the sprinkles. I don't know if that's catching it up or not. So this one is pink glaze with pink sprinkles. Okay. And then this one is yellow and blue sprinkles with a little bit of blue swirl, but it's light pink glaze. And just so you know, all of these are chocolate, so we're having some technical difficulties. Okay, I think that's how you close them. I don't know. I'm gonna have to arrange these later. So, okay, these are lemons. These are some lemons. I don't know why you would buy straight up lemons, but nobody knows what you're gonna use them for, so pop them in the cart. So this one is, I don't know what this is. Put down in the comments if you know what this is. Okay, anyways, so they have some rice. I think I just cut myself. No, it just hurts right now. Anyways, so we have some rice. We have some oranges, I believe. Tomatoes? I don't know. Put that in the comments if you know what it is. This is grape jam, I believe.
Juice.
This This is a yellow bell pepper. This is a watermelon. And that's all that was in the cart. My cart's just gonna float away now. Whee! Into cart heaven. Anyways, so this is really an unboxing thing, so I just wanted to show you. So it's a little, I'm sorry if like everything's floating around. There's like so many fuzzies on it. Boom, boom, fly away, loose fuzzies. Okay. Right there. Okay. Sorry. Okay, anyways, this is a mini notebook. There's a little image on it. Kind of, if you guys can see. And then that's really all there is. Just a little notebook. There's more stuff. This is my, sorry, it's kind of long. This is my new dress. One of my new dresses I got. Sorry, it's kind of long. Okay, and this one's a little bit long, just not that long. So this is my other new one. It's tie-dye like. Got it. Okay, so this is one of my, oh, I'm just gonna peel something off real quick. Okay, this is my new llama shirt. And then this is my new flower shirt. Okay, I'm sorry. Something was just funny. These are my new shorts. I don't really mean in this video, but I just choose to do it. So these are my other new shorts. And let's get on to a candy now. I only got like a few things. I only got 4 things, but that's a lot. Okay, these are Hero Happy Chicks. The little chicks inside. These. This is the Hercules. This is something I'm really excited to eat. Gummy Yum. It's like this thing where you like peel this like string of gummy off of an egg. I'm so sorry. My eyes are just itchy. Okay, anyways, let's get on. So it's like this thing where you pull like this string of gummy off, and there's like an egg inside. It's supposed to be really, it's supposed to be like a dinosaur one. So there's that. I'll do this next. So these are something we have at our school that I got from Target. So these are little building blocks. Here you go. Okay, here's this giant chocolate bunny. Of course you can't see the bottom, but it's still big. Hop, 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 hop away. And then the last thing, wait. Yeah, the last thing is this. I don't even know what it is. Why is it called mac and cheese? Okay, I'm sorry. So anyways, this is what it is. Bounce away. And I think that's all we had. Right, Bubba? Okay, and now, say hi.